Hi, everybody. This week's Data God has been publishing some incredible articles on how you can better manage your data models inside of Power BI. Want to highlight that for you and all of his incredible work coming up. All right, let's cut over and let's not wait any longer. All right, over on KratosBI.com, we highlight all of the data gods and goddesses that are out there contributing, making the world of data and business intelligence easier for us to consume, understand, and know what's going on. These are the people who you should be following on a regular basis. Their blog posts and the content that they're making can really help you be a better analytics worker. We like to, on a weekly basis, highlight some of the people that are putting out some really good content. This week, we're highlighting Casper. Oh, and I'm going to screw this up. Casper, I'm sorry, DeJong, DeGeorge, I don't really know. So, Casper, really sorry about that, buddy. Really appreciate all the work that you've been doing in the BI space. Casper's been working in business intelligence and data for I want to say 20 plus years or so. His blog, Casper on BI, has been out for an incredible amount of time. Well, I guess it has 10 years here, but he's currently on the Power BI team. Casper is a straight up great guy. He's got a number of great blog posts that are out there, but I really do recommend going out and checking out his blog. It is very good. The blog posts that we're featuring this week that really brought him to light and made it like a no-brainer. I tweeted out, I shared this on LinkedIn as this was the blog post that you data guys and girls need to go out and read. It's how to change the data set script in Power BI desktop. This is a brand new feature that's in preview, so even Casper cautions you on it. But this becomes incredibly powerful, especially for those of you who are starting to look at DevOps, starting to look at how you can do change control and record the content inside of your Power BI solution. This is really just straight up. This is a great article. Links down below. Do go out and check it out. This is 100% worth your time. You can also follow Casper on Twitter. He tweets out on a very regular basis. I mean, look, 8 hours ago he had his last one, but he's highly active on Twitter. You can also find him on LinkedIn. He's a good guy to get connected with. And you can also go out and buy his book. I highly recommend going out to Amazon. Look, it's on, what the heck is that? It's on sale right now for only $20.49. Go out and buy his book. All right. Casper is the data god of the week. So, Casper, thank you very much for all of the hard work that you've been doing. Oh, another thing. If you like Casper stuff, click on the link below. We have merchandise with Casper's Data God logo right on it out on our new store. It's a fun little thing. These logos and these stickers and these t-shirts will be available for a very limited time. So if you like these things, you like the logos and stuff like that, go out, buy your favorite Data Gods shirt or sticker. Heck, why not collectible? All right. Hey, thanks everybody. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Peace.